So there you have it. That's everything I know about RPT. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. My usual approach for a class like this is that if I learn one thing from each lecture or every day, one thing each day, then I got what I paid for it. I got something worthwhile out of it. So I hope you got at least one thing out of every lecture. Certainly got what you paid for, or maybe even more. But I know I certainly learned something. When I started out in this, I started out on it because I had taken a number of courses on Coursera.org. It's free online classes, and said, gee, I could do something like that, or I could learn how to do something like that. And what do I know something about? Well, I know something about Rational Performance Tester. And now I know something about making videos. I learned an awful lot. Not that I had a chance to apply them all in these lectures because I was learning them as I went. But if I ever do this again, I have a good base to start on. Now, if you started watching these lectures as soon as I uploaded them, which is, I think, June 2014, you might want to go back and check Lecture 1, Lecture 3, and Lecture 6, and Lecture 7. I added new subparts to those after I uploaded the original batch. And at this point, RPT 8.6 is available. It's August 2014. At some point, not right away, I'll probably add a lecture about some new features, so check back. And if I learn something new, I might add to existing lectures, so check back in a few months. So thanks for getting this far. If you got to the end, then I appreciate that. I had an awful lot of fun making these lectures. You couldn't possibly have had as much fun watching them. It was really addictive to make the lectures, I gotta say. But I don't think Hollywood is my next stop. If you have any topics I haven't covered, just drop me an email and perhaps I'll add a lecture.